been doing. Remember you saw polygons and different shapes. So today we're going to look at some 3D shapes. Do you know the names of any of these shapes in English? For example, this one. What do you call it in English? It's not a circle, because a circle is a regular polygon. What would you call it if it was a 3D shape in English? Do you know? Or perhaps this one? In Catalan or in Spanish, if you know it? Cylinder. Okay, in English, cylinder. Okay. Cylinder. Here, what do you call that? Like the earth? What shape is it? Yes? Good. Sphere. Good, very good. Sphere. Okay, so today we're going to learn about 3D shapes. If you have questions, please raise your hand. Okay. You learned about regular polygons. Do you remember the names of some regular polygons? What is this one? Yes?
Triangle.
Okay, triangle. What kind of triangle? Do you remember the name of it? Equilateral triangle. So what does that mean, equilateral? Yes?
Are three equal sides.
Good. 3 equal sides. 1, 2, 3. And what about the angles? What does that mean if it's equilateral triangle? The angles here, here, here. Are they different? Are they equal? Equal. Good. Okay, so equal sides, equal angles. What about this? What is this called? What shape is that? This? Square. Good. Easy. Square. Okay. So we're going to use regular polygons to make 3D shapes. So a 3D shape is called a polyhedron. It's not a polygon. So here we're looking at a 3D shape. So polyhedron are 3D shapes. And platonic solids are 3D shapes made with regular polygons. So not irregular, they're all regular. Can someone read the sentence for me? Can anyone raise their hand and read for me? Yes.
Platonic solids can be made by using a regular polygon and having the same number of polygons meet at each
corner. Okay, so corner. What is a corner? You look here. The corner, no? Where the edges meet. The corners meet. So here's a corner. So using a regular polygon, like we said, a square, an equilateral triangle. What polygon is this made out of? Which polygon? Square? Equilateral triangle? What's the shape? Yeah?
Cube.
Cube, but this shape here, what is it?
Square.
Square, good. And to make a square, to make a cube, we use the regular polygon, square. Okay, so square, square, all squares. And, like he said, having the same number of polygons meet at each corner. So each corner, this corner, all corners have the same number of polygons at each corner. So here, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. So there's three polygons, 3 squares at each corner. Okay. So we're going to look at what we don't call it a corner, we call it something else. So, okay. To talk about platonic solid, cube, or other ones we'll see, we have different names. So it's not a corner, we call it a vertex. In geometry language, it's a vertex. Okay? Or plural, vertices. Okay, more than one, plural. This is the corners. Okay, the faces are the shapes. The square, 1 square, 1 face. And finally, the edges. Here, that's an edge. Where 2 squares meet is an edge. Okay, so this is an edge, here, like that. And that's a vertex. Okay. Any questions? Okay, so 3 words we use. Vertex, face, or an edge. Okay? 3 words to describe the shape. Okay, so now you have scissors. Everyone has scissors. You have glue. Okay? You're going to make some shapes. Okay, so first, you're going to make a tetrahedron. Okay? Tetrahedron. What shape, what polygon, what regular polygon do we use? Yes? Okay, an equilateral triangle. So all of the angles are the same, all of the sides are the same. Good. Okay, next we're going to make, what did we say? A cube. Okay? And what shape do we use to make a cube? What regular polygon? Yes? A square. Good. Okay, a square. And finally, when you finish that, you're going to make an octahedron.
Triangle.
Okay, you use what? What do you use?
Triangle.
Okay, equilateral triangle again. Okay, so you're going to cut. And don't cut here, you have to save this to glue. Okay, cut all the way. Cut, glue, and try to make a shape. Okay, all 3 of them. Then you're going to describe them. Like we said, edge, okay, the edge, the vertex, the face, and you have to tell me how many. No? How many faces does it have? Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. No? Okay. How many edges does it have? What do you think? Okay, when you put that together. Okay, but don't tell me now. You have to cut and glue and you count. Okay, and you will put it in a table like this, okay? Number of faces, how many? Shape of faces, like we said, square, equilateral triangle. Number of faces at each vertex. So, each corner, how many meet there? 1, 2, 3. Here's a vertex, 3 faces, this is a cube, no? Yeah, 3 faces at each vertex. Number of vertices, how many? Corners. And number of edges. Okay? So first, cut and you glue and you make them. Then you fill the table in like this. Okay? Any questions? Questions? Yes?
1 for pair or 1 for...
No, 1 per person. Everyone do their own. And if you have questions or anything, you can ask.
Okay.
Okay, first we're going to do this one first because it's the easiest. No, it has the least amount of size. It's a little bit cut off, but cut, no, like this. Okay, and don't cut here. This is for the glue. Okay? Okay, other questions? No? Okay, good. Something.